Weather strip and insulate your home's attic hatch or door to keep your home more comfortable and to save both energy and money. You can do this with weatherizing materials and insulation or with a pre-made attic cover. For my attic hatch, I purchased this attic cover on Amazon for about $40. To install it, I'll use this double-sided duct tape and a staple gun. First, open the attic cover to determine how it will fit in your attic hatch. Next, line your attic hatch with the double-sided duct tape. Then position the attic cover in the attic hatch with the duct tape. Finally, secure the attic cover with a staple gun. For more low-cost energy-saving tips, visit swepco.com/save.